Okay, now it's time to write code swap.js. Now create a file js, and it has also two functions: get amount of token received from swap and swap token. Swap certain amounts of crypto dev tokens with the crypto dev ether tokens, which area has been selected by the user from the UI. It means that the user has Ethereum and wants to swap it from to a certain amount of crypto dev tokens. In this case, we call this Ethereum to crypto dev token function. Note that Ethereum is sent as a value in the function because the user is paying this Ethereum to the contract. Ethereum send is not an input param value in this case. Uh, on the other hand, if Ethereum is not selected, this means that the user wants to swap crypto dev token for Ether. Here we call the crypto dev token to Ether. Get amount of token received from swap is a function which calculates gives a certain amount of Ether divided crypto dev tokens. How many token would be sent back to the user? With a is selected, it calls the get amount of tokens from the contract, which takes the input reserves and output reserve. Here input reserve would be the ether balance of the contract and output reserve will be the crypto dev token reserves. Opposite will be true if ether is not selected. Okay, now let's copy it and paste it. Now it's time for final stage. Our app of our app, let's add some code. Parentheses.js file is already gives you. Replace all the content file in the following content. Now let's copy that code and paste it here. Here we are importing the functions that we have just created in the utils folder. The style, here's the app3 model, then head and ether. Now let's move on. We are initializing the variables using use state hook and use reference. Now get amount call various function retrieve amount of Ethereum balance, so it's calling the function that we have get from get amount utils. Now let's move on to swap tokens. We're going to call the swap tokens function from utils folder. And then like that we have get amount token received from swap, so it's also from utils folder. Then we have the liquidity, then remove liquidity, get token. After remove, connect wallet. In order to connect the wallet to this application, then we have some HTML and this button. Now let's move on and run it to see how it looks. Let's move, sorry, already in the same folder yarn dev. Okay, Let's copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, so I haven't selected the golden network site, why it's giving me that message.